We're standing here at the Gross Pollutant Trap, or the GPT, and this is our first point of protection of the downstream waterway and the wetland. This is the place that we look to get most of those larger bottles, cans, pieces of paper out of the system. This is the second part of the treatment train, the primary sediment trap. Here we take about 70 tonnes of sediment out of the system. That's dirt that contains a whole lot of stormwater pollutants like nitrogen and phosphorus. Here we are at the wetland, which is the core of the system. This part of the system does the heavy lifting. It takes the nitrogen and phosphorus and other stormwater pollutants out because the plants do that job. And the plants also are great at creating habitat for the wildlife that lives in and around the wetland. So this part of the system is Kalparrin Lake, or the open water body. It's where we have some extra stormwater quality treatment in the floating island that's just behind me. And it's where we take the water from its above ground presence to underground. The water comes from the lake into the rain garden and then filters down through a sand layer into the underground storage, which is volcanic rock or scoria. We can store another 2 million litres of water underneath the lake, where we have 3 million litres above ground. So this is the last components of the system. Here we store the water that we use to take downstream to the ovals. Also in here we have a sand filter and a UV treatment to make sure that we're meeting the National Water Quality Guidelines for stormwater reuse. That makes it 100% safe for use on the ovals.